We'll guide you through how to share a PDF file as a link. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a PDF I want to share as a link. This is really convenient to do, as perhaps you want to go and give it and share it with people, and using a link is going to be the best way I found. They can then go and download it, and they can just go and preview if they want to, and of course they can go and print it out, etc. So make sure this full guide to know exactly what you need to do and the steps we're going to be guiding you through this. Don't skip anything. So to go and get started, we are going to be using a web browser to get started. So open up Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, whatever browser you use, go and open it up, like so. Now come to google.com, as we are going to be using a Google service. And we can actually go and use this for free as well, which is really great. So what you need to do is on Google is go to the top right. If you aren't currently signed in, press sign in. If you need to create an account, press sign in, and you'll see the create button on the sign in page. I already am. You can go and see my account here. So when you've got your account logged in, you can press Google Apps in the top right. You can go and find the option for Drive and go and click on it. Mine's my favorite. So you may need to scroll down a little bit more to go and find it. Once you're here, you need to go to the top left and you can go and press New and find File Upload. Now, what you need to do is go and locate the PDF. So mine's my desktop, making it really easy to find. Yours can be elsewhere, but find it, select it, and press Open. Now it's going to go and upload, as you can see. What you want to do is go and press the folder icon to the right where it says Show Location. Wait for it to locate. You may need to just go and scroll down, and there it is. Now, what you can do is you can go and right-click on it, hover over Share, and press Share, and you'll get this pop-up. And then what you can do is you can go and change general access down here to anyone with the link. Just makes it way easier. Otherwise, you need to go and add them all here. Then you can press copy link. And what you can then do is go and paste that in an email or go and paste it in a message. And then when people come to it, they'll get taken straight to the file like this. And they can go and download it and go and print it, etc. Leave a like if you found this useful.